Have you seen a person who shows signs that their movement is controlled, have false identity, not know their home or work address, have no access to their earnings, have limited or no social interactions? If you have, then they might be trapped in human trafficking. Human trafficking is the illegal movement of people for the purpose of forced labor or sexual exploitation. Today, around 20 million people are trapped in human trafficking, including children. Few types of human trafficking are forced labor, bonded labor, sex trafficking, and trafficking for organs. In 46% of the cases, recruiter is known to the victim, and in 54% of the cases, recruiter is unknown to the victim. Around 55% of the recruiters are men, and 45% of them are women. There is no one profile for a trafficker. It can be anyone who is willing to exploit another human being for profit. They include pimps, intimate partners or family members, gangs and criminal networks, large factory owners and corporations. The list goes on. So what fuels human trafficking? Poverty and lack of educational opportunities puts an individual's life in risk. When national border began to exchange goods and capital, labor migration also increased with it. Stereotypes that women belong to the home contribute to women's inferior position and makes them vulnerable. There is also an increasing demand for commercial sex as it is of low risk and high profits. The effects of human trafficking are numerous and far reaching. The victims develop psychological disorders that they struggle with for the rest of their lives. The negligence of use of sexual protection and poor living conditions contribute to the development of various diseases. Victims will not stand out and ask for help because of lack of trust or self-blame. So how can we help those who have been trafficked and prevent this from happening? Identify the victims, build the trust and patiently interview them to get whole story and uncover what they have gone through. Provide the victims with basic necessities and make them feel safe. Educate the people around you about the causes and effects of human trafficking. Support various anti-trafficking initiatives who provide support to the victims. Longer the victims have been enslaved, greater will be the traumatic experience. Let's free them before it's too late.